It's your girl, Rich Soul. Hey y'all, happy Taco Tuesday. I am on my way to Taco Bell. I haven't had a chicken chalupa supreme in a long time, y'all, and that's why I got a taste for. So I'm heading over here to Taco Bell. I'm just doing a quick video. Got me a new little car setup going on. And then after this, y'all, I'm in a rush today. I gotta do a couple more things. So I gotta do my eyelashes for one. All right, this line ain't too bad. So I said, let me jump on here and talk to my fam and see how they happy Taco Tuesday going. Okay, y'all. I'm just waiting in line. It's so hot. Oh, it's so hot out here. I gotta do my lashes to take these rollers out. Yes. This is so fun. Y'all got this, like, finally got me a holder for my cell phone for my car. Whew. Let's see here. Gosh, I'm so hungry. All right, I'm next in line, y'all. Let's go.
Hello, how are you?
Hello.
You can order when you're ready.
Yes, may I have 2 chicken chalupa supremes?
2 chicken chalupa supremes. Do you want to make that a combo number 6?
No, thank you. Just a small cup of ice water.
Okay, would that be all for you?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, so this will be $9.39 without any sauce.
Yes, mild.
Okay, so it will be $9.39.
Okay, thank you. See, I asked for mild sauce. And can I have more than 4 sauce? I need a mild. Can I have about 6 mild sauce, please? Me too. Gosh, that sun is beaming. Jeez Louise. Ooh, it is hot, y'all. Good God Almighty. It's hot. It don't, and like I said, it don't get cold or chilly down here. I mean, it's okay now at nights, but during the day, no. No, it's hot. Look at that chicken chalupa. Chicken chalupa. Gosh, I haven't had this in a while. Yum, yum, yummy. Put some mild sauce on this thing. Whew. I didn't get with y'all yesterday, but I hope you guys had a good weekend. And I hope, y'all, that mild sauce did not go the way out. It squirted all over my other seat. Oh, well. I love mild sauce. Mild sauce is like the best. Yes, and I had a great, relaxing weekend. Wasn't so busy. Running businesses can be a lot of work. Oh, and then after this, y'all, I gotta go across the street to the beauty supply store, give me some lashes, honey. Gotta do those. But first bite is for you. I can't believe this thing keep moving up and down. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. Ooh, that bread. Y'all remember Chalupa Supremes used to be like maybe 2 or 3 something back in the days? I got 2 chicken Chalupa Supremes and they came up to $9.39 including taxes. That's all I got. And as y'all know, I just order some water. Stuff is just going up and up. Man, stuff is just going up. Mm.
Hey, how you doing?
Good, how are you? Well, at least she was friendly. Most people don't be friendly. So that was nice of her. That's another thing about nowadays. You know, people are a trip at some of these fast food restaurants. But she was nice. Yes, y'all. Get to the second baby. And I gotta hurry up and roll out again, y'all. I said, let me take my lunch break with my fam. Get some lunch with my fam. And see how y'all doing today and what y'all eat for Taco Tuesday. Check in with the fam. Put my sauce on, my mild sauce. Looking around. Ooh, all right. Chicken Chalupa Supremes, they only good when they fresh. These were just right. Ooh, that water good. I must was hungry. Because usually I eat one now and save the other one for later. But I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Hey. Shake your head with it. Shake your rollers with it. I'm hungry. And they made it so good. Or is it because I ain't had one in a while? Know how that goes. Put it on this last bite. Oh boy, when I hit the spot, y'all. My plans for this week, I'm gonna try to do a couple food challenges and work out. You're gonna work out and food challenges. And just work hard, y'all. Keep going, keep it grinding. Gotta keep on the grind. Yeah, gotta keep on grinding. Oh, it's hot. Well, I appreciate you guys hanging out with me for Taco Tuesdays again. Until next time, peace and love.